Welcome to Sheds Unlimited, and today we'll be taking a look at a 10 by 14 shed. The 10 by 14 is a great size to use for your lawn and garden equipment or simply using as extra storage. The building behind me is our classic workshop design. This building comes standard with a 5-foot double door and 2 windows with shutters. Going over the building in more detail, our sheds come standard with 2x4 framing, 16-inch on center, LP smart panel siding, 5/8 plywood flooring, and 30-year architectural shingles. Taking a look at the classic design, these buildings feature a 612 roof pitch, 2 large 24 by 36-inch sliding windows with screens, Z-shutters, and a classic style door with larger decorative hinges to really make this building stand out. Currently, we have about 15 paint colors to choose from for the wood siding. This includes the siding color, the door trim, corner trim, fascia, and shutter colors. We also have a number of choices for our vinyl-sided buildings as well. Also, if you're looking to match an existing building, like your house, or you're just looking to accentuate your building, we also have options for a custom matching paint colors, as well as ordering custom vinyl siding. Moving to the layout of the building, as you can see here, we have the doors and windows on the eave wall, and while this may work for most situations, we want to make sure that the building works for you and your specific needs. When ordering a shed through Sheds Unlimited, you can choose where to put the doors and windows at no additional charge. Those details can be discussed with a sales representative at time of purchase. Moving on to the floor structure, our buildings will come with 4x4 pressure-treated runners that run the length of the building. This allows for transportation of the shed, along with allowing for airflow underneath the shed to keep the floor of the building nice and dry. This improves the longevity of the floor and the building. Above the runners, we have 2x4 floor joists placed 16-inch on center and 5/8 plywood for the flooring. We also have options to upgrade to a heavy floor with 12-inch or 8-inch on center joist, as well as options for using pressure-treated materials. We carry many different options for our buildings, such as gable or ridge venting, lofts and shelves for extra storage space and organization, and ramps for the door area if you're looking to store maybe a lawnmower or something similar to allow easier access into the building. Please visit our options page on our website or discuss these options with your sales representative. In regards to a pad for the building, we recommend using 4x4s or 4x6s and building out a frame with inside dimensions roughly 18 inches longer and 18 inches wider than the shed. Then filling that area with 3/4 inch crushed stone level to the top of the frame. Also, it works best if you dig out the pad area to the point where the frame is about 1 inch above grade where your entry door will be. Now that we've walked through and covered the design and features for this 10 by 14, give us a call and let us know what you're looking for, and let us help you put together a building to fit your storage needs.